Hello, sir. Now I teach you how to connect the 60 kilowatt solar power system. First, the battery bank part. This is the gel battery. Okay. Your order totally have 64 pieces gel batteries, and then the connection way will be 32 pieces in series connection as one string. 32 pieces. When you receive the goods, you just bring out 32 pieces first, and then you put them together. The first battery negative connect to second battery's positive port. Second positive port, negative port connect to third battery's positive port. This is in series connection. 32 pieces in series connection, just like this. Just like this. This video I only connect 5 pieces as an example for you. After you receive the goods, you get 32 pieces in series. Okay. After you connect them, positive, negative, positive, negative, positive, negative, positive. You connect them, then you will get total positive and negative. This is total positive port, and this is total negative port. The voltage between them will be around 390 volt, like that. The total voltage is around 390 volt to 400 volt, like that. And then after you get this total positive and negative port, you bring out the battery cables and connect this total positive and negative, connect to inverter. See, this is the inverter. Inverter DC input port. This is DC input port. This input port, there is one big breaker. One big breaker. Positive connect to this side. Positive. Negative connect to this side. You see? This is positive. This is negative. Okay. This part is solar panels part. This is a PV combiner. You total have 2 pieces PV combiners and 2 pieces MPPT charge controller. Okay, 2 pieces. 1 piece PV combiner connect to 1 piece MPPT charge controller. Remember this. And then this is how it look inside. The solar panels connection way will be 14 pieces solar panels in series connection as one string. You totally have 7 strings. 7 strings. Among them, 4 strings connect to this PV combiner, and 3 strings connect to second PV combiner. Okay, 1 PV combiner connect 4 strings, 1 PV combiner connect 3 strings. Totally 7 strings. And after you connect the this is the solar input positive. Solar panels positive connect to go inside this way and connect to these fuses. These fuses, and this side is connect to positive, negative. Solar input negative. Okay, positive, negative. Don't make mistake. After you connect the solar panels, then there is PV combiner output. Okay, PV combiner output. PV combiner output. You use the cables connect them to MPPT charge controller. Solar input. See, solar input positive, negative. Solar input. See, these 2 cables connect to PV combiner. Output breaker. This is output breaker. Positive, negative. Don't make mistake. See, the red cables are positive side. Black cable is negative side. Connect them to MPPT charge controller. Solar input positive and negative. Connected to this port. Okay, 1 PV combiner connect to 1 MPPT charge controller. The second PV combiner connect to second MPPT charge controller. Okay, and then after you connect the PV combiner and MPPT charge controller, another part is battery. See, battery positive and negative. You use cable to connect MPPT charge controller. Battery positive and negative connect to inverter DC input. See, DC input, inverter positive. Positive connected to battery positive. See, battery negative connect to inverter DC input negative. Then the connection is okay. See? MPPT charge controller battery positive connect to inverter DC input positive. Negative connect to the DC input negative. The second MPPT charge controller also in the same way. Okay, second MPPT charge controller connect in the same way. Connect them in DC input positive and negative. Okay, this part is show you how to turn on the inverter and other things. After you connect 32 pieces battery banks in series as one string and then totally 2 strings. Okay, connect them to inverter. Then you can turn on the make sure all the connection is okay, right? Make sure all the connection is correct, and then you use you turn on the breaker. This is DC breaker. That means battery bank breaker. You turn on it. You just turn on that breaker, then it will turn on automatically. Okay. Also, once you turn on the battery breaker, the charge controller will turn on automatically. See, this is charge controller. It turn on automatically. Okay. Once you turn on the inverter, there is warning sound. It is normal because it warning utility AC input fault. That means you are not connecting AC input yet. Okay. If you are not connecting AC input, then once the inverter starts, it will warn. See, utility AC input fault. Never mind, it is normal. Okay, just turn on. It's okay. Now you can see the battery bank voltage shows 398.5 volts, and then this is AC output. AC output. Phase voltage is 125.3 volt. Okay, and this shows the city grid input. See, city grid input, because we are not connecting the city grid input. So this place shows fault. It is normal, okay? And then now I use the multimeter to check the output voltage for you. Okay. See, there is AC output. 3 live lines, RST, and the null line is in here. See, this is null line. This 2 is null line, and this is the earth cable. Now we check the use the multimeter to check the voltage between R and S. First we need to turn on the breaker. Okay, now here is power. Okay, free voltage output is 215, and let's check R and T. Also 215. Let's check S and T. 217. Okay, and let's check R and N. See, 123. R and S, 125. R and T, 125. And then let's check the frequency. Okay, frequency, you can see. Okay, 60 Hertz. This is the 60 kilowatt inverter. Okay.